Hello guys, welcome to Everything Smartphone. Pocofone released Pocofone F1 in August 2018. In that time, that was the perfect flagship killer budget smartphone. Since then, people are expecting a new phone from this Poco lineup. And in 2020, here comes Pocofone X2 in the market. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 5 reasons to buy Pocofone X2. For your kind information, I have to mention that this is not Poco F series smartphone. Some people confuse this with Pocofone F2, which will be the next version of Pocofone F series. And that gonna come in future, that for sure. But this is completely different lineup from Poco brand. So without further ado, let's get started the 5 reasons to buy Pocofone X2. First thing that attracts me is its display. It has 120Hz refresh rate console display, which is absolutely stunning. So this 5.99-inch IPS LCD touchscreen display has 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution with 395 ppi pixel density. And it supports HDR10 along with 120Hz refresh rate as well. So how good is this display? As you can expect from a 120Hz display, scrolling and other things are so smooth. And the display color looks accurate too, thanks to its 500 nits brightness for better clarity. And for the protection, display comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. To achieve a better performance, phone comes with Snapdragon 730Z octa-core processor with Adreno 618 GPU. As you know, Z stands for gaming, so this phone should be perform better than others in gaming, that for sure. According to Onto benchmark score, phone hold up pretty well. And as for the storage option, it comes with maximum 8GB RAM with 256GB UFS 2.1 internal storage. With this spec, this phone can satisfy you with any perspective of performance. In the back, the phone contains 4 cameras, though the camera bumps designs are not that good, but since most of the flagship contains weird design, I think this is pretty much well. So the main camera has a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor with f1.9 aperture and the 26mm focal length, and it has phase detection autofocus system. Also it has 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.4 aperture and the 2 megapixel macro lens and the 2 megapixel depth sensor lens. I personally think that if there is a telephoto lens instead of that depth sensor lens, that would be great. Otherwise it's okay. And talking about the video recording capability, this phone can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second and also can shoot 1080p resolution video at 120 frames per second. Also it has a 960 fps slow motion video capability, which is not usable at all. But in overall back camera performance, it is very good according to a budget camera. On the front side, it has a dual camera setup with 20 megapixel camera in f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor lens to capture better portrait. And the front camera also performs decent. This Poco X2 has a massive 4500 mAh battery, and this battery can give you solid one-day battery backup without any tension of low battery. And for fast charging, it has 27-watt fast charger that can charge 0 to 100% in just 68 minutes. And the good thing is, the phone does not get that much hot while it's charging. So if you want to use the phone during charging, you can do that without any issue. One thing that I should have to mention that this 120Hz display drains more battery than a normal 60Hz display. Above all that features, the main reason to buy this phone is the price. The feature you're gonna get in this phone is pretty much amazing when you will see the price. In this price range, very few phones in the market can provide such a cool spec combination. Its 6GB RAM variant with 128GB internal storage gonna cost you $220 and 8GB RAM with 256GB internal storage version will cost you $280. Apart from these 5 reasons, this phone comes with Android 10 operating system with MIUI 11. There are very few smartphones in the market right now which has Android 10. So this is a positive note for Pocofone X2. And obviously it will give you better user experience than others. And when most of the phone eliminating headphone jack, this phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack in it. So that was the reason to buy this phone. If you're looking something in mid-budget, then this Pocofone X2 should be in your top choice. I tried to break down everything that might be help you to choose this phone. If you feel that this video gave you some information, then please let me know by pressing like button, and also comment down below your personal opinion on this budget smartphone. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about our future updates. That's all for this video. See ya in the next video. Bye.